Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So at first I'll show you how to immediately turn on and off this mode, so you have the fastest access to it, and after that I'll explain the full path of how to enter the options, thanks to which you can customize it. So let's start with unrolling the top bar. We have to unroll it fully, and in this section let's scroll or swipe basically to find the proper icon, which is right here, in my case, nightlight. If you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon and right here you will be able to find it, then tap on it, hold it and drag it to this position. If you cannot do it, no worries. If you will enter the settings for the nightlight for the very first time, your device should automatically apply it right here, so you can kind of bypass this step. Alright, so in order to turn it on, we have to tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode is totally for you. It will help your eyes. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on it, and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. And if you want to enter the options connected with the nightlight, you have to simply tap on it and hold it, and you will be dragged to the proper section. However, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get into the settings. For example, in the case that your device will not automatically get you there. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to find the display. Let's tap on it, and here scroll down to the color. As you can see, we've got the nightlight, so let me turn it on so we will be able to see the changes when we will customize it. And probably right here you can see the difference between the nightlight on and off. So let's tap on the nightlight, and as you can see, we've got two different kind of options. Let's start with the intensity, so we can change it. As you can see, right now it is on the kind of highest position, so on the warmest position. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and to be honest, I do not really see big difference between those. Maybe this pinkish color is more warm. Alright, so as I said, up to you, just set it like you want to. And here we've got the schedule option, so we've got three different settings, kind of. We've got the none, which is currently applied, and it simply means that you will have to manually turn on and off this option, this mode. You can turn it on at custom times, so you can pick the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply this mode between the start and the end time. And you can also pick the schedule from sunset to sunrise, and it simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's really up to you which option you want to use. I will pick none. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.